Hello students, I am Sridhar, Assistant Professor in Engineering College. So, in today's class, I want to discuss few more important formulae on integration. In previous class, we have discussed six very important formulae of integration and we have done problems on that. Okay, so before going to the class, please like, share, subscribe my channel, and if you get any doubts please comment below. I will clarify your doubts. Thank you. Yes, now we come to the topic. So in today's class we discuss three most important formulae of integration which will very useful in doing the long answer questions also. Okay, right, let us come to the topic. Right, so formula number 1, integral root a square minus x square into dx. Okay, integral root a square minus x square into dx. So if you listen the previous classes, then the difference is understood. So what is the difference between the first formula we discussed in the previous class and this one? So in that 1 by root a square minus x square is there. 1 by root a square minus x square formula is sine inverse x by a. Already you know it. In this formula there is no 1 by. Directly it is of the form integration of root a square minus x square into dx. So this formula is of two parts. Always remember, this formula is of two parts. Okay, I will writing here. The first part is x by 2 root a square minus x square x by 2 root a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sine inverse x by a plus c. Very important. Okay, this is in of two parts. So it can be derived by the formula integration by parts. Okay, so no need of derivation of this formula, just you remember the formula only. So other two formula is there. So first I write all the three formula and we observe the differences of the three formula. Okay, now I am writing the second formula. Second one, integral root a square plus x square into dx. So this is equal to, this is also of two parts, x by 2 into root a square plus x square plus a square by 2 sine h inverse x by a plus c. Okay, next I am also writing the third formula, integral root x square minus a square into dx. This is equal to x by 2 root x square minus a square minus a square by 2 cos h inverse x by a plus c. Okay, so now we observe what are the differences in these three formulae and what are the similarities in these three formulae. First observation, root a square minus x square, here root a square plus x square, a square minus x square, a square plus x square, root of, under root of. Third one is root x square minus a square, x square minus a square. Already I told you, if two same terms are there, in between two same terms minus is there, then both are different. If in between two same terms plus is there, both are same. As I told you, 2 plus 3 equal to 3 plus 2, that is equal to 5. If 2 minus 3 not equal to 3 minus 2, like so, root a square minus x square, root x square minus a square having different formulae. But root a square plus x square is equal to root x square plus a square. Okay, already we know it. Okay, so see here, root a square, all these three formula have one common thing, that is all these three are of two parts, and in first part all these three formula have x by 2 common. In second part all these three formulae have a square by 2 common. Okay, so root a square minus x square or root a square plus x square or root x square minus a square, all these three formulae, in the first part x by 2 is there, in the second part a square by 2 is there. And root a square, if a square is first, we get plus, in between the two parts we get plus. Okay, so this is clear. Step 1, x by 2, a square by 2. First part consisting of x by 2, second part consisting of a square by 2. Step 2, all the three, in three formula, a square minus x square, a square plus x square, in between two terms plus. For root x square minus a square, minus is there. So plus and minus is also very very important, my dear. Okay, my dear students. So very very important. Okay, identifying plus and minus also very very important. Now if x root a square minus x square formula, we are writing the formula for root a square minus x square, then x by 2 in first part, x by 2 into the same value is the multiple. If root a square plus x square is there, same value is the multiple. If root x square minus x square is there, same value is the multiple. So no need to worry for first part. X by 2, the given integrand is the multiple, root a square minus x square. For root a square plus x square, x by 2, given integrand is the multiple, root a square plus x square. For root x square minus a square, x by 2, given integrand is the multiple, root x square minus a square. Now to the second part, coming to the second part, a square by 2 is common in all the terms. Okay, all the three formulae. And in second part, already we know 1 by root x square minus a square. What is the formula of 1 by root x square minus x square? 1 by root a square minus x square, sine inverse x by a. Yes, so here in this second part, if root a square minus x square is there, in the second part 1 by root a square minus x square formula is the multiple, that means sine inverse x by a. Okay, 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 I am removing some of the okay, right. Yes, please observe here. So in if it is root a square plus x square, what is the formula for 1 by root a square plus x square? What is the formula for 1 by root a square plus x square? Sine h inverse x by a, right? So here also in the second part we get sine h inverse x by a. So what is the formula for 1 by root x square minus a square? Yeah, cos h inverse x by a. So here also in the second part we get cos h inverse x by a. Okay, so these are the differences. Once again I am telling you, all these three are having two parts. Root a square minus x square, root a square plus x square, root x square minus a square. All these three formula having two parts. First part is common, x by 2, and second part a square by 2. So x by 2 into root a square minus x square. So x by 2 into root a square minus x square plus a square by 2 into root a square minus x square is there, sine inverse. You have to remember sine inverse x by a. Root a square plus x square, x by 2, root a square plus x square plus a square by 2, sine h inverse x by a. Root x square minus a square into dx, x by 2, root x square minus a square by 2, cos h inverse x by a. Yes, once again I am explaining these three formula. Okay, so please listen carefully. So these are integration by parts. First one, integral root a square minus x square. Observe carefully, very simple to remember, my dear. Just first one, x by 2, same will come, root a square minus x square, plus second part always consisting of a square by 2, 1 by root a square minus x square formula, remember, and right here sine inverse x by a. So plus c is common, for all. Okay, and the second one, integral root a square plus x square into dx is equal x by 2, same root a square plus x square come, plus a square by 2 sine h inverse, because 1 by root x square plus a square formula is sine h inverse x by a, that come here. And third one, integral root x square minus a square into dx, that is equal to x by 2, same x by 2 into same integrand root x square minus a square minus, here remember, minus a square by 2, 1 by root x square minus a square formula cos h inverse x by a plus c. Okay, so these are the three formula which are very very important to do the long answer questions in your intermediate second year level in integration topic, and we will discuss examples of these three formula in the next video. So please do write 2 or 3 times and memorize these three formula in this way. So common x by 2 in first part, a square by 2 a square by 2 second part. If x by 2 into root a square minus x square is there, that will come only in the first part, multiple of x by 2, and plus 1 by root a square minus x square formula is sin inverse x by a, so a square by 2 into that will come in the multiple of a square by 2 into sin inverse of x by a in the second part. So like that, x by 2 root a square plus x square plus a square by 2 sin h inverse x by a for the second formula. Integral root x square minus a square into dx, x by 2 root x square minus a square minus a square by 2 cos h inverse x by a plus c. Okay, so please do remember these three formula which are very useful. Okay, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe my channel if you understand the concepts what I am telling here. Okay, so please refer to your friends also who are studying intermediate level, and we discuss some examples of these three formulae in the next video. So signing off, Sridhar. Thank you.